Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can know when whales buy crypto. It's quite simple. You're going to need a wallet for this by simply using either your MetaMask or Trust wallet or your Exodus wallet. You could simply click on the Trust wallet, open it up, and once you've opened up your Trust wallet or whatever wallet you're working with, head over to the browser section, and in the space provided for the search, you simply search and paste this address, which is the crystal.app. And once you've done that, simply click on the enter. And now we're going to be working with this website by simply clicking on create or connect wallet below and select wallet connects. And now we're going to be connecting our Trust wallet to this wallet. Click on connect and boom, connected. So with our wallet connected, all we need to do now is quite simple. Head over to the icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once there, click on the notification icon you can see right here. Click on this icon and give it some time to load in. Click on verify address and your signature is needed so you can get some notifications. Click on sign. And now you can subscribe for notifications and stay informed by simply clicking on settings and clicking on push notifications so you don't miss any notifications. And if you simply head over to the inside, you can look at the whale alerts, select whale alerts, and currently there are no new movements. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can know when whales buy crypto, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.